What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm your Hubaderong Kalakwatsa here in Singapore. But actually, I'm not in Singapore right now. I'm here in
Japan!
No, in Manila. I'm here in Manila and we're going to
Manila!
we're going to Japan and we're going there for a short vacation. So let's go. And I hope you guys watch out for our vlog in
Japan!
Okay, see you guys later. So yun nga mga kalakwatsa, like what I've said earlier, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Nagoya para magbakasyon for a while. Actually, we have a mission there, kami ng anak ko. So, yun, at samahan na rin natin ng konting gala. Pupunta kami ng Nagoya for like 2 days, then we will travel to Tokyo at dadaling ko ang anak ko sa Disneyland. So, yun. So, kasi may pinangako ko sa wife ko na dadaling ko ang anak ko sa Japan. So, ito matutupad na. So, let's go. Maghintay na tayo ng boarding. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome to Nagoya. Nandito na kami. Actually, kakaland lang ang flight namin. And medyo wala pang tulog, pero enjoy lang. And anyway, pangalawang beses ko na dito sa Nagoya and yung anak ko isang beses pa lang. So, it's a dream come true kasi ito yung pangarap ng wife ko yung makapunta si Yael dito sa Japan. So, ngayon, on the way na kami sa train. Then after that, pupunta na kami sa hotel for check-in. So, let's go. Samahin na kami sa activities namin today. Pero, baka magpahinga muna kami. So, let's go guys! Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Meitetsu Line. Papunta kami sa Nagoya Station. And medyo struggle pa kami sa pag-ano ng train, ng railway nila dito kasi medyo mahirap. But fortunately, nakakaya na lang rito with the help of Wi-Fi. So tara guys, samahan nyo kami. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Nagoya Station. Bali, hindi pa kami nakakapag-check-in. Medyo, at hindi pa kami kumakain. So, ito, mamaya pang...
Pagod kami.
Grabe siya. Bali, mamayang 3 p.m. pa yung ano namin. Mamayang 3 p.m. pa yung check-in namin. So, nagplano kami gumala muna. Sayang yung araw. Kahit walang tulog, mamaya na lang babawi kami ng tulog. At nahihiya naman ako dito sa kasama ko na parang gutom na gutom na. So, what is up guys? Ito, naka-check in na kami finally. Kakagising lang namin. And, yun, medyo napagod, nagutom. Kasi naghintay talaga kami ng napakatagal. Ito guys, yung room namin. Yael, say hi. Yael! Hi! Hi! Okay, kakagising lang niya. Ito lang yung room namin, maliit lang siya. Kasi hindi naman ako very particular sa room kasi tutulugan lang naman siya. And magstay lang kami dito for one night. Then, tomorrow afternoon, mag-take kami ng train, bullet train. I think they call it shinkansen, if I'm not mistaken. Going to Tokyo, then doon talaga kami magtutour. So for now, ito yung room namin guys. Yan siya. Maliit lang siya. Then, I like the toilet. The usual Japanese style na toilet. Yan. Ito lang siya. So yun, magdi-dinner lang kami sa labas. May meet lang kami mga family members. Then, yun. So, mag-dinner lang kami. Then, siguro, balik kami dito kaagad. Kasi nga, tomorrow, maaga kami gigising. So, yun. So, yun nga, guys. Ngayon, I have to be very careful. Kasi nga, parang napaka responsible ko kasi first nung nandun ako sa Singapore, papunta pala ako Clark, na wala yung cellphone ko. I lost my iPhone X. But fortunately, may nakapulot. Then, hinand over sa information counter. So, usually, sa information counter yung na-hand over yung mga lost item. Then, yun. Then, thank God, salamat sa nakapulot. Then, second, nawala yung isa sa mga buhay ko, yung aking vlogging camera. Eto guys, balikan nyo kung paano siya nawala.
Okay guys, mga kalakwatsa, I'm actually here at SM Park and I'm waiting for someone. Because guys, may sasabihin ako sa inyo, may naiwan akong isang importanteng bagay last 2 days ago. And kukwento ko sa inyo, sobrang importante ito sa akin. And parang hindi na ito mawawala sa buhay ko. So yun nga guys, I landed here last 2 days ago, October 25, Clark Airport, and I took Grab, and so far I was able to book early. Then, yun nga, so sobrang excited ko guys, I left something inside the car. I left my vlogging camera. And I just found out today, which is after 2 days. So, yun nga. And good thing I was able to call the Grab hotline and they were managed to call the driver. And the driver, fortunately, he's willing to meet me here at SM Clark. So, thank you sa Grab. Thank you so much. And yun nga, nandun din yung boy ako, nandun din lahat, yung Nikon D5300 nandun siya. So, good thing, if in case mawala siya, nagbura ako ng mga videos ko doon sa memory card. So, yun. So, sobrang kapalpahan. So, hopefully, hindi na to maulit. Talagang tumatanda na tayo at medyo makakalimutin na. I don't know, maybe I was too excited to, go inside my home, to see the kids, to see the babies, the Athena and Zoom. So, yun, now I'm waiting for the driver and thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay guys, medyo nabuboard ako. At yung anak ko, di na naman ako pinapansin. At busy na naman kakalaro ng... What are you playing? Billiards. He's playing billiards. So, hindi siya makapaglaro ng Mobile Legends niya. So, yun. Medyo malamig dito guys. So, ramdam mo. I don't know how many degrees, but medyo malamig. Ano lang ako. Cardigans. Long cardigans. So, yun. Hindi ako naka-sweater or what. Pero, meron naman na akong pang-init din. So, yun. Okay guys, good morning from Nagoya. Nandito kami ngayon sa Nagoya. Medyo rainy weather and say hi, say good morning.
Good afternoon.
Okay guys, naglalakad na kami and andito gamit namin yung famous na umbrella nila, yung clear umbrella. So, yun. Papunta kami sa isang hotel. We'll be having a meeting. So, tara, samahan nyo kami. And, in a while, after the meeting, siguro ikot lang kami dito saglit. Then, after that, we have to take shinkansen, the bullet train from Nagoya to Tokyo. And, that's the time that we're going to start our tour officially. Because we just came here in Nagoya for business and that's it. So, tara guys, let's go.
Okay guys, kaka-check out lang namin sa hotel. And ngayon, magte-take na kami ng bullet train going to Tokyo. So, it's our first time to take bullet train. So, tara, let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Okay. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Shinkansen, Nagoya Station. Papunta na kami Tokyo. So, tara, samahan nyo kami. And first time namin dito, like what I've said earlier. And yun nga, it will take us like 1 hour and 15 minutes. So, tara guys, samahan nyo kami.